TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN headquarters in St. Petersburg, Florida. 2 p.m. Eastern time on Thursday. 2 hours left to go in the trading day. We got markets hanging around higher territory. S&P's up 37 points right now, trading 29.75. Got the Dow up 396 points, trading 26,752. NASDAQ leading the way, up 124 points, trading at 81.01. Gold pulling back. Gold been trading somewhat inversely with the markets. Gold negative $31 at $15.2930. Notes and bonds, quite a movement to lower price. A little bit of a change from the August action. Right now we have the 10-year negative 31 ticks at 131.10. The 30-year negative 2 points and 3 ticks at 163.27. And the dollar index almost flat, negative 33 ticks at 98.360. We'll start things off, and we're going to start it off with a chart of the 10-year yield. So as we mentioned, you got about the 10-year negative a full point on price. And as you'd see, jumping over to the charts, we got the 10-year right now yielding 1.563 up to a high of 1.589%. That is the yield, again, of the 10-year. And as you can see, last night we were sitting down there at about a low of 1.46. Not very often that you have the 10-year jumping that much, but as we've seen recently, bonds pretty volatile to say the least. Jumping back to the indices, we'll jump over to the Dow, currently trading 26,756. Kind of been a slow trickle to lower prices since about 10:30 this morning. We're up there at 26,842, almost 100 points off that level now. NASDAQ 100, pretty similar action. We spiked to a high after 10 a.m. of 78.85. We're now off 35 NASDAQ 100 points, 78.48. S&P's made it to a high early this morning of 29.86. We're now 12 points below that level, 29.74. Gold contract pulling back just as the market was rising, making a low correlating to when the markets had made a high. The low in the gold contract, 15.15. We've bounced now $15 from that level. Pretty remarkable. The bounce looks almost like nothing, but that's a $15 bounce in the price of gold, and the only reason it really looks like nothing is that you traded down almost $45. And then crude oil, currently trading 56.63. We actually saw a draw of 4+ million barrels at 11 a.m. this morning. That's your initial spike, but that did not last, and we're actually under the price level that we were at as we came into that EIA inventory number. Stay tuned, folks. Dave White right now live with the Power Trading Hour. Tom O'Brien coming up live at 3. Stay tuned.